This is a website I did for parents wanting to keep better track of their children. There was a small device that had a GPS in it and was basically a miniature cell phone, and it could be attached to a belt or put in a backpack or something. And as the child would go to school or anywhere else during that day, the device would report back to the server, and I was in charge of interpreting those messages from the device. I also helped define the protocols for that communication, and as those messages came in, I'd store them on the server, and when the parents would come to the website, I would display, this is one of the pages that they could see. You can mouse over a particular time. These are reports that are coming in from the device. This one right here is a check-in. The parent specifically requested, I want to know where the device is right at this instant. And so this was the report that came back, and this is one of the recipients of that report. There was also the ability to specify predators. If you wanted to see what predators there were in the area around the last location of the device, and with each of those predators you could look at a little bit more information on that. And then you could also just look around a particular address if you wanted to enter that in and see the predators in that area. Obviously you could change the date that you want to be looking at for the device, even down to a specific beginning time and ending time. This was just a page to show a summary history of the device on a particular month. How frequently did it report? And this was to kind of help in terms of cost. There were costs associated with how many locates the device did. But there was also the ability to create an Excel file that had a report for legal reasons, court cases, things like that. And it didn't just export data, it exported a real Excel file. This page allowed the parents to go in and say, if the device leaves this particular area, I want to be notified, or if it enters a particular area, I want to be notified. So here's an example of we called it zones, and so you could specify, I want this zone to alert me when the device enters it. I want it to alert me when the device exits the zone. You could drag the zone anywhere you want to be more precise, or you could enter in an address, you could put lots of zones in there. Again, as you moused over, it's really easy to see which zone and where it is on the map, and go and specifically edit that. As we started moving into not just parents as our market, we realized that someone might want to look at a large number of devices and have kind of an overview of the last known location for them. So this page was created to be able to very easily find the exact location for lots of devices at once. So most of these, you can see, are in the same spot, but there's this one, the Droid 3 device. It is not in that spot, and there it is, very easy to be seen, despite the large number of unique devices that are in the list.